Is EA Sports FC26 Ultimate Edition crashing on your PC? Whether you are using Steam or the EA app, you're not alone and you are not stuck. Let's fix those crashes and get you back in the game. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to fix FC26 Ultimate Edition crashing on PC. Whether it's Steam or the EA app, we have got the best fix lined up with clear reasons behind each step. Let's get started. Method 1. Reinstall the EA anti-cheat. When you are experiencing Ultimate Edition crash on your PC while playing FC26, repair or reinstall anti-cheat. Go to the installation location for FC26, open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder and open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option, then on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on the select folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the install button to install the anti-cheat. After the installation finishes, start the game and check if the issue persists. Method 2. Verify the game files. Next, you can verify the game files from Steam. Here is how to do it. Open the Steam library, right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on Install Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the Steam to finish verifying and once done, play the game. Method 3. Check if your Steam meets the minimum requirements. Next, make sure your system fulfills the minimum requirements to run the game. You can check the system requirements from this link. Method 4. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like FC26. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type dev mgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 5. Update your Windows OS. Type Check for Updates in the search menu and select the top option. Click on the Check for Updates button. If any update is available, download and install the updates. Restart your PC for that. Now launch the game and see if this could resolve the issue. Method 6. Close unnecessarily running programs. Sometimes streaming and downloading can compete for resources and cause crashes while playing games like FC26. So close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for FC26. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill, then exit the window. Method 7. Tweak the in-game settings. Run FC26. Open the game settings and click on Display, Configuration or similar settings. First, set the resolution to the native resolution or 1280x720. Keep changing and see what works for you. Next, set display mode to full screen or windowed borderless. Set the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Next, set the frame rate to 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Turn off VSync. Turn the dynamic resolution scale to off. Set cutscene performance to half frame rate. Set strand-based hair to off. Set rendering quality to low. Next, set grass quality to low and crowd quality to low. Once done, go to the bottom of the screen and apply all the changes. Then confirm from the pop-up window. You can tweak the settings as per your system and check what works for you. Method 8. Avoid rapid display mode switching. To maintain stability in FC26, avoid switching between full screen and borderless modes mid-session. Rapid toggling can cause frame drops, resolution glitches, or even temporary freezes during gameplay. For the smoothest experience, choose your preferred display mode before launching the game and stick with it throughout. Method 9. Change launch options. The next thing you can do is change the game launch options in Steam. Here is how to do so. Go to Steam Library, right-click on the game, then select Properties. Now select Launch Options. Here you can add commands like -dx11 or -dx12 and check if that works for you. And that's it, your crash-free path to FC26 Ultimate Edition on PC. If one of these fixes worked for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips. Drop a comment to let others know which solution saved your game. It could be a game changer for someone else. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next one.